Tire Town. We're a local independent tire dealer offering a full line of tires, automotive maintenance, and repair services. We've been in business for over 50 years. We're seasoned professionals and we're deeply involved and committed to our customers and our industry. At Tire Town, we're best known for value. It's our goal to provide customers the best deal around. We source tires from a wide range of suppliers, ensuring that we have the best quality available at any budget. We shop our competition regularly to ensure our out-the-door price is competitive with anyone in our market. We have experienced salesmen, tire technicians, and mechanics that have the expertise to help you select the right tire, services, or repairs for your vehicle. What really sets Tire Town apart from our competition is our level of repeat business and consistency in staffing. We work hard to establish long-term relationships with our customers, and when a customer has a problem, we fix it. When you walk into our business, you can expect a familiar face, expert, fast, friendly service, and quality products offered at a great value.